Hi. In this video, we're just going to see how leverage basically affects trading models. So we are taking the Donchian channel out here, the same one that it explained in advanced trading strategies, and I'm going to backtest it on Bank Nifty, and we're getting the same results as we had earlier, around 32% CAGR. And now what we're going to do is add a leverage of 4 times as is there in the example, and just backtest that again. Wow, we've got a return of around 152% CAGR. Now that's huge. You show these returns to anyone and they're bound to stand up and take notice. But the robustness of a model is basically defined through the Monte Carlo. So this was the earlier model which did not have any leverage, and you can see that it's got a very stable Monte Carlo graph. In the worst case scenario, you're getting a CAGR of 14, a maximum drawdown of 73.67, less than 1% chance of that occurring. Now let's see what is the Monte Carlo of the leverage model. Wow, the only chance you've got of you've got less than a 10% chance of getting this kind of result. In 90% of the cases, your equity is going to be 0. Let's just see, is that even 10%? No, you've actually got a lesser chance, more like 7.5-8% chance of getting this kind of return. And this is basically what happens when I'm talking about leverage. There was nothing wrong in the model as long as it was not leverage, as is visible from here. But once you leverage it, this is what happens. The chances of your model performing are very few, and your model failing and your max drawdowns and your equity being wiped out really greatly increases. So that's why, as per me, when you're trading a model, stay away from leverage and you should be fine. You should be making a healthy return.